Let's plant some ferns. Now today my mum wanted me to plant some ferns in the front garden, so that's exactly what I did. As you can see, some ferns are doing great, but others not too good. I decided that I was going to plant the little fern here, so I got straight to digging. Now the soil isn't that deep in this area, and very quickly I hit the shale. But luckily it was deep enough for the fern to go into. And that was the first little fern planted. I then decided to put the nice healthy fern in this shaded area just underneath the wisteria. And luckily the soil in this area is a lot deeper, so I had a lot more room to plant the bigger fern. I then broke up and exposed the roots just before planting, just to encourage new root growth into the soil. And this is what the nice healthy fern was looking like in its new spot. I then decided to put the final fern here. Now this area of the soil was really compact and had a bunch of already established roots in there, so it was very hard to dig out, but luckily I managed to find a space. Now this fern wasn't doing too great, so I removed all of the diseased leaves and stems and left it to focus on the new growth. And again, I just gave the root ball a nice little shake up just to expose some roots to encourage them to grow into the new soil. And that was the third and final fern planted. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and follow, and stay tuned for more.